I don't call myself an activist.
Okay.
It is my mission. इगोर्जे वाटेनसान आमचो कॅथलीक फेथ इज टुवर्ड्स नेचर. पयलीं घोडे घालूंक ना तितलो आतां फोकस आहा. भुरगो आसतना जेन्ना चयतालो तेन्ना इट वॉज अ डिफरंट थिंग. इट वॉज अ जॉय टू सी. बरे दोंगर दिसती पडटाले. आतां ते दोंगर आहा खरें पूण ते दोंगराचेर सगळो कलर चेंज जाला. Not anti-commercialization or anti-development.
Correct.
Development जावपाक जाय. When we say development without economics, it cannot be a development. Indian, I am an Indian.
Yeah.
We are Indian. Okay, but within the Union of India, we are different.
You seem to have lot of knowledge with respect to you're close to environment, म्हणता तुम्ही. But you have lot of knowledge, म्हणता. And sometimes when these knowledge conflict with political views, हुई ना हुई people object to you. हुई ना हुई म्हणटा अरे पाद्रीन चर्चीन रावपाचें म्हणटा. And now that you opened up that church also has a purview of taking a सोयमाक राखपाचें म्हण आसा. Do you feel to answer to these people?
I'm not against politicians. I have politicians friends.
Yeah.
Okay, politicians friends, and I have very good relationship with the politician friends that I have. But the policies that they do, anik जी ड्युटी तांकां आहा in the society, ती ड्युटी ते जेन्ना सारके करना, दॅट इज वाय आय एम अगेन्स्ट देम. हे आमचे जे लिडर्स आहा तांकां जी जबाबदारी दिल्ली आहा ती तरी तर ते पाळना जाल्यार देर हॅज टू बी एन ऑपोजिशन एंड ऑपोजिशन हॅज टू बी रिस्पेक्टेड.
Last Sunday I went for mass and this a beautiful teaching, or it is one of the theme of the church was about girl child. The theme of girl child taking up by a Catholic institute, Roman Catholic church, and talking about a patriarchal society ki they haat hai. Tell us about this thing. So with respect to Father Bolmax, looking forward for this election. Bospa. येवकार तुमकां आमच्या आणखी एक प्रोग्रामान वॉक द टॉक शोआक. आनी आयज आमचे वांगडा स्पेशल गेस्ट आसा फादर बॉलमॅक्स पेरेरा, फादर पॅरिश प्रिस्ट आमचे सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर चर्चीचो इन चिकाली. And also we know him more of an activist म्हणून चड करून because he is very famous because he talks from his heart for the people of Goa. Thank you so much sir, तुवें टायम काडलो आयज आमकां जॉइन करपाक.
येस नरेश.
आणि फादर फर्स्ट म्हणल्यार आय रियली वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू वाय इज सो डिफिकल्ट टू गेट होल्ड ऑन टू. सामको बिजी आसता. वॉट डू यू एक्चुअली अपार्ट फ्रॉम पॅरिश ड्युटीज मेवलो आयज मेवलो म्हणून तुका. बट वॉट एल्स यू आर यू एंगेज्ड
विथ मेनी थिंग्स. एक आय एम टीचिंग एट सेंट जोसेफ वाज कॉलेज बॉटनी शिकयता थिंगा. आनीक आमचो Cardinal has given me another responsibility to head the Diocesan Commission for Ecology. आमचे गोंयान डायसिजन कमिशन फॉर इकॉलॉजी आहा. आनी आतां आनीक एक मातशें रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी चडल्या एज अ सेक्रेटरी फॉर इकॉलॉजी कमिशन फॉर वेस्टर्न रिजन म्हणल्यार तितून गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र आनी गोवा हे 3 स्टेट्स येता.
So the ecology and environment protection is also in the church purview.
Yes, of course. It is तेका लागून हांव जायते फावटी म्हणटा I don't call myself an activist.
Okay.
It is my mission. आनीक मिशन म्हणटा तेन्ना not just a human mission but it is also ecclesiastical from the church.
Okay.
It is my mission that I am doing. आनीक इगोर्जे वाटेनसान आमचो कॅथलीक फेथ इज towards nature. Okay, so that is the part where तेजेर आमी आतां इल्लोसो एक्स्ट्रा फोकस पयलीं घोडे घालूंक ना तितलो आतां फोकस आहा. आनीक हांव फोकस घालतालो तेन्ना सान घोडे आनीक कोण घालनासलो देखून मिसता लोक म्हणपाक पावला की दॅट आय एम अ एनवायरमेंटल एक्टिविस्ट. Activism becomes part of that.
I'll come to this activism, which is a little more in-depth topic for you. But we want to know where you're coming from. Where were you born and where you're part
of Kepe'ncho. Kepe. Born and brought up in Kepe.
Kepe. आणि हे हुंयचो
सारकें Kepe.
Kepe.
होय टाउन केपें टाउन.
टाउन ना ओके.
होय. सो केपें टाउन म्हणल्यार टाउन न्हंयचे ह्या वाटेन पडटा कुशावती रिवर. म्हजें गोर न्हंयचे त्या वाटेन पलतोडी. सो हांव जल्मलो असल्या जाग्यार जिंगा नदी आहा रिवर कुशावती. हांव कुशावतीचो पूत. मागीर आमची शेतां आहा, शेतकार हांव, म्हजी माय पाय शेतकामती. आनीक दोंगर आहाय, सो आमची गोरवांय बीन आसलोलीं. आनी ते गोरवांक घेवन आमचे राखणे जेन्ना दोंगराचेर बीन वयता तांकां चोरोवपाक, तेंचे बरोबर आमी वयताले. आनीक शेतानूय बीन. सो वाड म्हजी इन अ वे तुज्यान म्हणपाक जाता ह्या सैमाच्या वाठारान जाला. नदी, आमी न्हंयक न्हांवपाक वयताले, नुस्तें धरपाक वयताले. मागीर दोंगर आहा आमची सगळीं शेतां मळां त्या वाटेन. आमच्यो गेम्स तेन्नाच्यो चडश्यो तितून, त्यो बडयांनी बीन खेळटाल्यो त्यो ते तितून भितर जातल्यो. तोंडबार, त्यो गेमी आतां नाय.
तर एक त्या जाग्याच्यान जॉयनींग गेटींग ऑर्डेंड ते कशें जावन येयलें?
ल्हान आसतना सान हे म्हजे फॅमिलीन, म्हजे भितर पार्टिक्युलरली म्हजे मामीन आनीक म्हजी एक तितीन आसलेले. सो इट वॉज इनिशियल, आतां हांव तेंचे कडेन जाता तेन्ना इनिशियल डिस्कशन वॉज बिटवीन देम. हांव जेन्ना जल्मलां आय वॉज इन अ हॉस्पिटल, आनी हॉस्पिटलान एडमीट केला तेन्ना म्हज्या बेडीचे वयर खंय सेंट डॉमिनिक सावियेचें पिक्चर आसलेलें. सो तितून भितर मामी आनी तितीन दोगांयचे मदें उलोवप जालें. म्हणजे ओगी आसताय न्हू थिंगा हॉस्पिटलान बरो ना तेन्ना. आमी एका बॉलमॅक्साक हे भाशेन फादर कोरया, लायक सेंट डॉमिनिक सावियो भाशेन तो फादर जावचो, सांत जावचो. दीस वॉज द इनिशियल. आनी थिंगासान तें आपोवण्याचें बी अशें सुरू जालें म्हणपाक जाता. मागीर देन दे स्लोली स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग मी फादर. सो हय, धाकलो आसतना सावन म्हाका म्हज्या नांवान, हय, नांवान फादर म्हणटाले म्हाका. फादर म्हणल्यार म्हाका वाड्यांतलो लोक वळखतालो. सो बॉलमॅक्स म्हजें नांव. पूण इनिशियली पयले सुवातेर म्हजी मामी आनी म्हजे तितीन तेमी कॉमेंट्स केलें फादर म्हणपाक. सो इट स्प्रेड लायक आमच्या वाड्यान.
जेजूचे स्टोरी कही म्हाका
लोकांनी बीन मागीर म्हाका फादर म्हणपाक लागलोले. सो तेजेर सान तें सुरू जालो सारको धाकटो आसतना सान. सो इवन द हॉस्पिटलान आसलो तो, इट वॉज अ सॉर्ट ऑफ अ मिरेकल. म्हजे बराबर आनीक एक चेडूं आसलें इट सिम्स. आनीक तेन्ना जोर माथ्याक मारलो जाल्यार गेलो. सो बोथ ऑफ अस वर एडमिटेड. अनदर गर्ल, तें कोण तें हांव नोको आतां, पूण शी डायड आनी आय वॉज सेव्ड. आनीक तेन्ना दीस कम्स हेका आमी फादर करचो सेंट डॉमिनिक सावियो भाशेन.
आयलो म्हणून. So from there, and you went to college. Who college in तुमी?
College, I joined Saligaon Seminary.
Direct, okay.
In 8th standard.
Okay. So
8th standard सान हांव भितर सरलोलो तो. Then that is a natural flow. So Saligaon Seminary after SSC we are sent to St. Xavier's College. ती आमची डायसिजन कॉलेज ती. So 11th 12th थिंगा केले. मागीर परतून back to Saligaon Seminary. आनी next was philosophy in Rashol Seminary. So philosophy जाल्या उपरांत आमची regency आसली. So regency that time मातशें took a different turn where graduation was combined.
Okay.
So graduation come regency it was. So this college life actually is in St. Xavier's Mapsa.
St. Xavier's, okay.
Yeah.
So तुम्ही आता you got ordained and you went into different parish.
Yes.
From your kepe, from the childhood to this stage what we see right now, going jasa, how do you feel pained? Do you feel pained by this situation right now?
See, if I compare that time and now, there is lot of difference. But when I go back to Kepe, म्हाका परतून दिसता that we have not yet lost everything.
Not yet.
No. आमच्या त्या वाठारान
राखपी लोक आसा म्हणटा.
राखपी लोक आहा आनी आमचें वातावरण इटसेल्फ इज अ that welcoming म्हणल्यार in the bosom of the nature. सो ते फील येता थिंगा वयता तेन्ना. ह्या वाटेन जेन्ना येता आतां स्पेशली द कोस्टल एरियाज आनीक आतां जे दोंगर बीन चोयत जाल्यार थिंगा वेन वी गो बाय दीस आतां ब्रीज, मागीर ओवर ब्रीज आनी ते सगळें दोंगराक चोवपाचें ना. पूण भुरगो आसतना जेन्ना चयतालो तेन्ना इट वॉज अ डिफरंट थिंग. इट वॉज अ जॉय टू सी. बरें दोंगर दिसती पडटाले. आतां ते दोंगर आहा खरें, पूण ते दोंगराचेर सगळो कलर चेंज जाला. सगळे बिल्डिंग्स स्टार्टींग भायर सरलो हिंगा मडगांवसान भायर सरलो कॉमर्स बिल्डिंगा. ओके,
Commercialization is entered Goa म्हणटा तुमी.
Yes, it has to. I am not anti-commercialization or anti-development.
Correct.
Development जावपाक जाय. When we say development without economics, it cannot be a development. So commercialization म्हणटा तेन्ना it is a economic development. But what has happened आता म्हाका जें दुखता तें चोवपाक, and that is why I talk. जे आमची द कॅरेक्टर आहा न्हू, आमचो गोंयचो कॅरेक्टर, which I personally see in this environment. आमचे सृश्टीचें दायज आहा तें आनी खंय मेळपाना तुका. ओके, स्पेशली आतां द वेस्टर्न घाट्स दॅट वी आर पार्ट ऑफ. पूण वेस्टर्न घाट्स एके वाटेन दर्यान वयता, त्या वाटेन फ्रॉम काणकोण आनी देन तिराकोल. सो इट इज लायक अ बुजम. ओके, वेस्टर्न घाट्स आमकां धरून आहा हे भाशेन बरो करून. सो हे भाशेन आमकां जेन्ना तो धरून आहा तेन्ना ह्या आमचे गोंयची एक अस्मितायच वेगळी. It is a different type of identity. I'm Indian. I am an Indian. Yeah. We are Indian. Okay, but within the Union of India, we are different. Okay, it is not because Portuguese येयले म्हणून. No, that is just a history. ते येयले, ते गेले, ते भाशेन दुसऱ्या जाग्यान दुसरे येवन गेला. But the very environment that we have is giving us that identity. आमचे मागीर तितूंतल्यान सान आमचें उलोवप, आमचें जेवप खावप आनी एकामेका बराबर जगप, that has been characterized according to me by this nature that is a type of a bosom आमकां धरून आहा तो. सो दर्या आहा, दोंगर आहा आनी आमची शेतां बाटां आहा, तितून भितर नदी आहा धाकट्यो.
Father, you seem to have lot of knowledge with respect to, you are close to environment म्हणटा तुमी, but you have lot of knowledge म्हणटा. And sometimes when these knowledge conflict with political views, हुई ना हुई people object to you. हुई ना हुई म्हणटा अरे पाद्रीन चर्चीन रावपाचें म्हणटा. And now that you opened up that church also has a purview of taking a सोयमाक राखपाचें म्हण आसा, do you feel to answer to these people?
I don't need to answer to these people. ते म्हजेर आड येता अशें हांव म्हणना. तेंची ड्युटी ती. तांकां जर पोट राखपाक जाय आनी ते जे कितें रॉंग करता ते राखपाक जाय, देन दे हॅव टू गो अगेन्स्ट दोज हू टॉक इट. सैमाचें तेजें हांव तेंचेर आड ना, पूण हांव तेंचेर आड आहा. तेंचेर आड म्हणटा तेन्ना आय एम नॉट अगेन्स्ट पॉलिटिशियन्स. आय हॅव पॉलिटिशियन्स फ्रेंड्स. ओके, पॉलिटिशियन्स फ्रेंड्स, एंड आय हॅव व्हेरी गुड रिलेशनशीप विथ द पॉलिटिशियन फ्रेंड्स दॅट आय हॅव. बट द पॉलिसीज दॅट दे डू आनीक जी ड्युटी तांकां आहा इन द सोसायटी, ती ड्युटी ते जेन्ना सारकें करना, दॅट इज वाय आय एम अगेन्स्ट देम. Otherwise, I have nothing personal against any of the politician. Okay, and I believe we have to get into politics in order to, आमगेली जे लायफ आहा, आमचो समाज चलयता कोण, ओके, जे आमी लिडर्स वेंचून काडले. I won't call them as politicians, because politicians has become a bad word now. So they are the leaders whom we have chosen. आमचे बाबा हे सदांचे दिसा दिसपट्टेन जिवीत फुडें व्हरपाक, तितून भितर पॉलिसी जाय, तितून भितर कायदे जाय, फ्रेमवर्क जाय. होय, सो हें सगळें करपाक तांकां लिडरशीप दिल्ली आहा. सो दॅट इज वाय आय एम सेयिंग दॅट तांकां भायर उडोवपाक जायना. दे आर द व्हेरी एसेन्शियल पार्ट ऑफ आवर सोसायटी, पार्ट ऑफ आवर लिव्हिंग.
डू यू गेट पीपल टेलिंग यू, फादर तूं मातसो राव मरे इलेक्शन अशें म्हणटा कोण, ऑर डू यू हॅव अ विश?
पयले सुवातेर जायते भाशेचे लोक आहाय. ओके,
म्हणटा आसतले.
हय, म्हणटाय, बट आय टेक इट एज अ जोक.
हय,
आतां वाय जोक? पयले सुवातेर इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दॅट यू गेट इन टू इलेक्ट्रल पॉलिटिक्स in order to be in politics.
Correct.
Okay, so once again I say politics is what runs our life, everyday life. So ते करपाक being part of politics म्हणल्यार फकत मिनिस्टर आनी हें जावपाक नाका, लिडर जावपाक नाका, बट ते लिडरांक क्वेश्चन करप इज व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. आमची आतां डेमोक्रेसी, आय एम व्हेरी क्लोज टू डेमोक्रेसी एंड डेमोक्रेटीक वॅल्यूज. सो तितून भितर इफ वी सी द असेंब्ली एंड पार्लमेंट where our leaders get together, they discuss कोत्ताय, उलयताय, सांगताय, तितून भितर without opposition there cannot be democracy.
Correct.
And if there is any democracy or any government without the opposition, then that is a fake government. It is not government.
If you don't question, they will not
not because they will not, but the character itself, आमचे governance, the governance तर बरें जातलें जाल्यार there has to be a question, there has to be a debate, there has to be an opposition. तूं कितें म्हणटा तितलें केलो जाल्यार जायना, पूण हांव तुका जर क्वेश्चन कोत्ता, you have answer जाल्यार that is also opposition. You are opposing me, I am opposing you. That is not for the sake of opposition and fighting. आतां सद्याक जालां तें the opposition has been considered as fighting. So the democratic values are lost. आयची जी पिळगा आहा, आयची जी the tribe of politicians आहा, I think तांकां बरेशे बसून बरेशे ट्युशन दिवपाक जाय what exactly democracy is, what governance is and what opposition is.
ते बरें म्हणलें आयज म्हणलें because when we talk about our पूर्वज leaders पयले जे आहले ते leaders used to respect the opposition म्हणटाले.
Yes.
आणि खंय ना खंय it was an official job. It wasn't a business, but it was an official job. ते म्हाका अपोज केलो हे तुजो रिप्लाय.
Yeah.
In a very democratic and very respected way. आता ते मिसिंग हा म्हणटा तुमी.
हय, हांव जेन्ना आतां when I started getting the political sense, तेन्ना सान पासून हांव उगडास कोत्ता तेन्ना पयलो काँग्रेस आसलेलो, काँग्रेसाचो गव्हर्मेंट. जायते पाड रुल्स काडले तेमी, ओके, बट देर वॉज ऑपोजिशन. आमचे असले तरणाटे, एज अ यंग मॅन आय हॅव अपोज्ड इट, आनी एज अ यंग प्रिस्ट आय हॅव अपोज्ड इट. आय वॉज इन लोतोली जेन्ना रिजनल प्लॅन येयल्लो तेन्ना, पयलोच रिजनल प्लॅन जो मागीर भायर मारलेलो. Okay, so then son, opposition was, forget about the political opposition, people were opposing, young people were opposing, priests were opposing. आणि आमी एक देंगसो घालीत जाल्यार काँग्रेस ओगी रावताले, फाटी सोदताले, and lot of things तेमी फाटी घेतल्यो. पाड घायला जायते हांव काँग्रेसानूय बी ना म्हणना, not because it is Congress, but those who were in Congress, they had bad intentions. So ते सगळे हितून आसता. आतां BJPकूय आहाय, चड आहाय आतां BJPन, जे आपणाचो फायदो चिंतून तांकां कांय पडलेलें ना. इवन दोज हू हॅव जम्प्ड फ्रॉम काँग्रेस ते चड, ते फकत आपणाचो फायदो चिंतून थिंगा ओगी आहाय. नांव काडपाक जाय जाल्यार हांव नांव काडटलो, बट दीस इज नॉट द फोरम. आय डोंट मायंड, कित्याक दॅट इज द फॅक्ट. सो द थिंग इज, हे आमचे जे लिडर्स आहा तांकां जी जबाबदारी दिल्ली आहा ती तरी तर ते पाळना जाल्यार देर हॅज टू बी एन ऑपोजिशन, अँड ऑपोजिशन हॅज टू बी रिस्पेक्टेड. आदी रिस्पेक्ट कोत्ताले, स्पेशली काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट आनी BJP गव्हर्मेंट हें करीत जाल्यार. काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट आमी एक देंगसो घालीत जाल्यार भियोन फाटी रावताले, अँड दे वर ट्रायींग टू गीव द एक्सक्युजीस, अँड हें सारकें ना फाटी घेताले. पूण आतां BJP गव्हर्मेंट आहा तो, दे नो वॉट वी आर सेयींग इज रायट, अँड येट दे वील बुलडोज. दादागिरी चल्लेली आहा.
तुम्ही म्हणटा, you have understood, and most of the people in Goa are quite knowledgeable with politics. I'm saying this because when we talk to people, we come to know that sense. But in spite of doing all these things, somewhere or the else we then crib that we have not got the right leaders. It could be that the games played by the politicians are better game than the people understand. What is missing, and how कितें म्हूण करपाचें लोकांनी? That's the only power they got, you're saying, in everybody says.
Politicians म्हणटा तेन्ना आतां what has changed according to me is new tricks जे शिकलेले आहा न्हू, especially the politicians. Today they have learned, हे पयलींसान जाता actually ancient timesan, पूण आतां in a better way they have learned how to use the vulnerability of the people. लोकांचे जे वीकनेस आहा आनी जी गरज आहा, ओके, सो वल्नरेबिलिटी म्हणटा तेन्ना इट इज द वीकनेस ऑफ द पीपल एंड द नीड ऑफ द पीपल. ह्यो दोनूय वस्तू जेन्ना आमी एक करता तेन्ना पीपल बिकम वल्नरेबल, आनी दीस इज वॉट टुडेज पॉलिटिशियन्स हॅव लर्नड व्हेरी वेल. दे आर युजींग दीस ट्रिक. सो वल्नरेबिलिटी ऑफ द पीपल इज बींग मिसयुज्ड. Instead of बाबा हेंचो नीड आहा, एज लिडर्स वी फुलफील देयर नीड, आमी तेंचो नीड सारको करपाक वावरया. तें करचे बदले द मोमेंट दे गेट दॅट दीस पीपल नीड समथींग एंड दे आर वल्नरेबल, दे आर आउट टू टेक मॅक्झिमम आउट ऑफ इट.
वल्नरेबिलिटी म्हणलें म्हाका काल एक दिस लास्ट Sunday I went for mass, and this a beautiful teaching, or it is one of the theme of the church, was about girl child. The theme of girl child taking up by a Catholic institute, Roman Catholic church, and talking about a patriarchal society ki they have. Tell us about this thing.
See, the Catholic Church has been patriarchal from the beginning. Okay. But the change has come since Vatican II Council. I know it is long back that things are being implemented slowly. And in Goa, the Archdiocese of Goa has been implementing this, I think somewhere in 2000 तेदना सन आख्या इंडियेक जेन्ना गर्ल चाइल्डाचेर हें जाल्लें तेदना सन I cannot give you the exact dates, but I remember I was a young seminarian doing my last year, and I was in Ponda Chapel Hatinga regions kuttalo muji diaconate kuttalo. We had not just altar boys, we had altar boys and altar girls. So around that time
some
only
steps were taken.
Yes, so that time onwards church had already started. So altar boys, altar girls, initially it was just altar boys. So somewhere in 2000, 2001, 2002, Tednasan Suruzale in different churches.
So the altar boys are for people who are non-Catholics. They are the people who help the priest in doing the service.
Yeah, altar boys are those who are at the altar. Jenna आमी आमची मिसाची भेट भेटयता तेन्ना मिसाचे भेटेन आदार करपाक जे आसता. So coming to the altar, हे फकत चेड्यांक आसलें. Only the boys could come to the altar. Okay, the ladies, the girls, ती choiran बीन आसतालीं, but choir is not close to the altar. Readings करपाक येतालीं, so तितलें. But altar where उंडो सोरो जंय जेजूचे मास रक्तान बदलता, the actual mass, थिंगा बोगलेक येवपाक तांकां हें नासलें. So since 2000, as far as I can remember, there were already altar girls, okay, in the Roman Catholic Church. So तेदनासान चेडू भुरग्याक जो रेस्पेद आनी मान दिवपाक जाय, that was coming up at the आतां yes, it has grown very well. And not only in the church but outside society has also started with the human rights and child rights. Yes, the latest developments that have come. Okay, but it is it has built up. Okay, and today every first Sunday of September is dedicated to the girl child. Okay. Not only this year, it has been started a long time back.
Great. So with respect to Father Bolmek's looking forward for this election, nothing's going to happen, right? This was my last question, but I thought because you have to run for the mass, and I know
election not at all. See, when I would be required, when we really don't have anybody, and that is not my decision. The decision has to be from the local ordinary. Local ordinary means I'm the bishop. So if the bishop feels,
there's a process for that.
Yes. So if the bishop feels, are inga ata kain chalna dadagiri itli challolia, nobody is ready to contest. Bita teka yupak. And that is where the bishop can ask his priest, any one of us. So if he has seen me saying something and doing something for environment, for people, or I have good leadership quality, bishop can ask. So when bishop asks me, then I can surely contest. And contest if I win and I become the MLA, I will be serving the civil society. So that time I will not be serving as a parish priest. I remain a parish priest. Padri chuttalo, mujhe private miss korpache ate kuttalo. All the powers that are for the priest as a spiritual, they can
celebrate mass.
But yes, only the public ministry as a priest will have to cease till I am doing the public service as a MLA.
I'm sure people will force the bishop to have you one of the leaders, because many people adore you. But thank you so much.
No, bishop cannot be forced, and people should never force. Okay,
people's
people's opinions are there. And log tuka hai jori to roer kata hala sakal udopa koi bin jana. So as far as I am concerned, if you are saying that people adore me and people respect me, thank you for the respect and thank you for the adoration. But no. Tuka zaite mujan korpak zaina. I am within my bounds, and those bounds are by my ordination as a priest, and those bounds have to be respected. I cannot go out of that. Teja bhahir jori to ravan gelo jalar I will be lost.
But thank you so much for all this information and for your time, Father. I know you're getting late for your church, but thank you so much for taking time.
Thank you, Naresh.